Top 5 Best Hanging Closet Organizer. Number 5. Simple Houseware Freestanding Clothes Garment Organizer Closet. Does a $50 freestanding closet organizer kit you can put together in a half hour sound more like your speed? This freestanding closet organizer is nearly 4 feet wide and comes with 4 shelves and 2 hanging bars. The second bar is removable for hanging longer items. Made of metal in either a bronze or silver finish, this pick is secured with heavy-duty plastic connectors for storing clothes and shoes. Fans say, "I love this thing. It took me about 15 to 20 minutes to put together. This thing is pretty sturdy as long as you balance the weight properly on each side of the rack. I have 61 items hanging. It holds all my clothes plus some other things I didn't have room for in my small room. I would highly recommend this to anyone who needs plenty of storage and not enough space in their room for something huge." Coming in number 4. Little Tree Freestanding Closet Organizer. This cute freestanding closet organizer can extend small or non-existent closet space and displaying your favorite items like your own personal boutique. With room for hanging clothes and varying sized shelving for storing shoes, and displaying handbags or stacking denim or sweaters, the heavy-duty organizer's total weight capacity is a solid 350 pounds. All tools and instructions for assembly are included. The powder-coated metal frame is about 4 feet wide with thick particle board shelving for sturdiness. It's available with black or white shelving. Fans say, "I've purchased many closets before and this is by far the best one. I have a studio apartment and I try to maximize my space, and this closet is just the perfect one in every way. It's so stylish, sturdy, and the right size. Invest in it. It's totally worth it." Coming in number 3. ClosetMaid SuiteSymphony Closet Organizer with Shelves. Here's a beautiful, highly customizable laminated wood closet organizing system that deserves to be on display in a large, visible closet. The system secures to a closet wall that's between 7 feet and 10 feet wide, creating up to 22 feet of shelf space and 12 feet of hanging space. This kit comes with your choice of 16-inch or 25-inch wide towers with optional drawers and doors. Lots of accessories are available for further customizing your closet space: angled shoe shelves, a jewelry tray insert, a tie and belt rack. Choose from an elegant espresso, gray, or white. Hardware is included, but installation requires power tools. Fans say, "I was very impressed with the quality and thickness of this product. I doubt that anyone could tell that it is not real wood when they see my closet." Hubby and I worked together and we were amazed at how easy this was to assemble. I now have an incredible walk-in closet that I had always dreamed of having. It provides for an amazing amount of storage and it feels incredibly sturdy. I have another walk-in closet that I want to work on and I am super excited to use this system again. Coming in number 2. ClosetMaid SuperSlide Closet Organizer Kit. Made of vinyl-coated steel with a white finish, this ClosetMaid affordable closet organizing kit is a great value for under $100 and is compatible with other ClosetMaid kits for ultimate customization. The kit contains all the necessary hardware to secure it to a wall between 5 feet and 8 feet wide, creating up to 19 feet of shelf space and up to 10 feet of hanging space. Installation does require power tools and, for smaller closets, some cutting may be required. The SuperSlide shelving rods allows hangers to slide smoothly. The sustainable shelving is SCS certified with a minimum of 91% recycled content. Fans say, "I was skeptical about purchasing something like this online, but I love Amazon, so why not? This is amazing." We have a 6-foot closet that had one solid bar across. Our clothes were so smushed in it, making them wrinkled every time you wanted to wear something. We decided to purchase this ClosetMaid organizer in hopes of creating more space and I am very pleased. Coming in number 1. Rubbermaid Configurations Deluxe Custom Closet Organizer System Kit. Rubbermaid's closet organizer system is highly rated with nearly 3,000 reviews from shoppers who love the kit's easy customization and installation. Some reviewers report buying multiple sets to transform small rooms into walk-in closets, and love that it provides the necessary hardware and doesn't require cutting pieces. This aluminum organizer secures to a wall and fits any walk-in or reach-in closet with at least one wall that's 4 to 8 feet wide. A 3 to 6 foot version is also available. Telescoping rods and adjustable, expanding shelves add up to 22 feet of shelving space and 12 feet of hanging space. The kit comes in a titanium or white finish, both offering years of maintenance-free durability without rust or discoloration. Fans say, "I installed this system in all of my closets. I've had these for over a year now and they have held up just fine. Look like they did the day I installed them. Best thing is I can rearrange the closet system as I need to at any time. Every closet has a different configuration. Highly recommend this closet system. It's easy to install and can't beat the price."